Hi, I'm Mickson Kapaipi, and I'm head chef at this camp. Mseke is a very nice camp. Right now, I'm in the bush. We are doing building, but it's very sad for this year because we have got this issue which is comes around the world. But we know that in future, maybe this year they will end, and then maybe we hope to see you again at here at Msekesi. Since I started working, I normally work do any different jobs, not just or not just the cooking. Just I have to do different works, carpentry, any job I did. It's a nice camp. We have got a lot of animals. As I'm saying now, we've got elephants, lions around the camp, a leopard around the camp. So we really miss you guys, and we hope uh, things goes better. Then we need you to see you again. Thank you.